ahwefo ni adofo ni etiefo nyina mo bia kwaba biemba Attention TV ene kwentua machina medwem e Attention TV den sem koso e social media so bi na eba besom tieni di ma message so be like ya sanso a subscribe amaye na wasan so ashamaye.
We need to speak about it.
More fire. More fire.
FD botaye pa omo mandate ene say FD ne mandate ne say say nuro ni nuane ni ade a yedi no kuruma no Food and Drugs Authority ombehwe say drugs na yede ba no yede ye na fatase yede ye enso FD no wada FD nada FD ada na ye no say nuro no mo ba enya tufa omo fan show mo chi omo de support Customs and Excise Preventive Service for no mo prevented de ya if say mudino service no Customs Excise and Preventive Service mo preventing your maboni say bevrem enso me no ka say more than 20 million worth of inura e bama mranche nya binom yes ye FBB red yes ye FBB red ye FBB ashes we wom the police ni mo an so mo chi we for enso nura wo ese mranche e fa video ni bi kire mo adebe na esi no
more fire
ani ehwe ni di
more fire
general adebe na esi ni sa no Daniel fa video no kire wo oh na ni mranche isa sa eish
ye maba wa na say
wonim red way oh eish future leaders yo akosua we mu na senka empanimfo na ekwa komba be sha na mu emranche ni nyina ewu emranche ne sei Kofi no pa hwe fi wani din na hwe se most eye obituaries ebobo wo less than 40-30 emranche ni wu enuro no mo fa no bone no mo fa no national security we ojina ho wada yes red national security we ni adwuma national security. Where the Yajuma? Oh no, but why are we sitting down? Kofi.
This is critical.
No, but Ojina ho.
Critical issue.
Hey, baby, I don't know. Kofi. Baby, hey, mensuno.
Very critical.
Mensuno. I don't know.
Pathetic.
Hey.
Yeah, but transam na easy ya. And national security to her.
And you're funny, say you're funny. Kofi, and you're funny. A damn a real boy back up, you fix the country 2021. Near copy takrade. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. I've read 9
months.
Hey, Charlie, Ghana mummy, I'm sorry.
More fire.
David, where the mummy and yai? Where the mummy and yai? Why? Hey, where a serious conversation will be. We need to have a conversation on this. The youth is being destroyed. But you see, so what we see, it boils down to the hopelessness of the youth of this nation. It boils down to how the youth don't have any hope for tomorrow. It will offend no one and he lives in a certain utopia. If so, unemployment rate, government in, government out. We pretend to be building a nation, and the youth pretend to be having the jobs. This is the end result.
More fire.
And you may hear you never build your mind. Yanyo, Kofi, Yanya, and you may hear you never build your mind. Yanya, pressing issues, Yanya, na petty things. Oh, wow.
More fire.
Wow. No. With the greatest of Food and Drugs Authority, I don't know. Ovi ya kan so ene dua and komobia koso national security wo machi cocaine bi na ye de ani de akiri o machi cocaine bi wo ye fisheries companies bi wo ho o machi cocaine heavy na nipa na wo de ani mu ni NDC nipa on fisheries company ni ene dia on China fo bi na ne ye de akire me frɛ nipa no me wie me texting nipa no say matre say sa asɛm na asi me no ka say o mochi nipa na wo frontier ma ye NDC nipa ni no en ne ko ye bi na ene anopa MNDC ni penini so kobia 9 opa you follow the issue you follow the case na by Wednesday ni aboa ye evidence nyina no na ye dia ba betudwa ene ya cocaine fisheries company whatever NDC ni penny on China for dia no one will be near front man South fisheries company and ya kwachi cocaine have you ho mo be kai say ya chi cocaine bi wo ye central kwam ho ana ya NDC ni penny bi na na sa asam na ko say yakata so omada so without the help of the system there is no way people can be bringing in this kind of drugs
more fire.
There's no way. And the political class, they know. They know those behind it. But the system is protecting them. Obi? And then year minus.
I know what thing.
And then year minus.
No shit.
So for the love, omu baby anka ho. Omu baby ani ho kofi. Sama omu baby ani ho. Minister Nibeni. These are not the conversations at the forefront of the nation. This is not what bothers us. We are not having conversation about this. By now, national security in Penny4, you should be worried that this is happening.
More fire.
These are the boys as will be per se insurgency, will be per se recruiting, no be causing mayhem. But these are the boys that they will infiltrate.
More fire.
So it's a national security threat. Such a boy, woman, even 1,000 Ghana. What kuno? What is one for bomb machine? What the bomb machine? So we are leaving our youth hopeless, visionless, directionless. Then somebody will infiltrate.
More fire.
Especially when your president is in some way somehow causing with the coup makers. So you the president. Subconsciously, what you are doing is that you are legitimizing a coup making. What you be to because coup makers are not no fans. Now, those soldiers for now are almost performance in Biaji.
More fire.
So this is a national security issue.
Precisely so.
National security, Madaroma. Mutie, this is not right. FDA, Monsorin Hamoma Muhumeso, Manda, FDA Nada. Brancheni, Branchene say, Obi, Yenya Bibim Faho. Why, Madaroma? Or minor young for politics and Tunche. Yenya Bibim Faho. This is very worrying. And a way back, and another walk of fast, our story way maybe by. But we didn't follow up.
More fire.
And then dangerous. And me who could be a video beer. I can't why say yama and sure that Hokrano. Or monitor mu abra when you miss what on shoes.
More fire.
Or baby tia shabenquem. Because of RED. And yet trendy at the end of social media say as if it's a joke. It is not a joke. Oh my no ya dwene no more tia do nti. And you are very worrying no I see a worrying. We don't worry about them.
More fire.
Oba ni tibehane sekatachi enya views on Facebook rather than the mrante no maba we say so for na energy nko ha. What is this? Mesremo momi enye bibi mfa ho why govi momi enye bibi mfa ho we dey madaroma enye PPND system enye PPND system ye dache obi na emrante ni wusa ho one way yeah there will be a time where and kokrafo ni do ba bi o mutimi nya adwuma one way nya mrante mo nya adwuma the workforce of this nation will get eroded period.
Exactly.
Yan sorry free ho na yan ko your next topic.
More fire.
Attention TV ni ekwentwa Accra.